Track boys.
You heard the name. J1. You ain't seen me in a minute. Petey Pablo. We getting hits, man. Ebony Eyes. Y'all ready?
I'ma run while getting funds, cause you getting none. Hit a cop, then hit a none. It's all with a gun. What is done is what is done. It's all for the fun. Somebody said cut off their head, it's already done. Now I'm playing with many straps, including mini mats. With a bat, my clip gone, I'm banging with that. Where it's at is where it's at, don't worry about that. You a soldier, well soldier, relate to that. Now I'm marching down the alley, eating rallies. How many the trial, we need a tally. Now we putting the mind and then we outie. Rowdy, they step on the bomb outie. Doubt me, I started shooting up your Denali. Track one, here, give a bomb to your family. Mention family, then they start to get concy. But yo, I'ma do it anyway, why?
We can take it third, handle that, handle that. Take it third, handle that, handle that. Take it third, handle that, handle that. Take it, we can take it, we can handle that now. West Coast, hit X, East Coast, hit X, Midwest, hit X, South South, hit X, West Coast, hit X, East Coast, hit X, Midwest, hit X, South South, hit X.
Come take a ride as we roll through the ghetto, but keep your feet on the pedal, cause it could get pretty extreme in the ghetto. Triple X level, no holds barred. We got hood captain, lieutenants, and project sergeants capable of pulling your card and bombing your car. Grenades through your window, this is all I wore. Take the main road, everywhere we go. Here time we roll, and we transporting guns stashed in the truck flow. Real talk, dog, I hit real hard. One swing, knock a block, slam off. Hit him in the part where it talk from. Now he got a mama, cause the wires in the jaw make it hard for him to tell you something. The sun is now, but the storm coming. Best thing for you to do is try to get prepared for it. Like finding bread, water, milk, couple cans of soup, and a place to go, just in case you had to move.
We can take it third, handle that, handle that. Take it third, handle that, handle that. Take it third, handle that, handle that. Take it, we can take it, we can handle that now. West Coast, hit X, East Coast, hit X, Midwest, hit X, South South, hit X, West Coast, hit X, East Coast, hit X, Midwest, hit X, South South, hit X.
Partner, when it comes to the tools, I'm not forgiving the blues. I knock another man clean out his shoes. We get to breaking the rules, let's get to taking his jewels. He still tripping, turn his ass into dog food. Who got the static, Better bring the plastic, Better automatic, and let him have it, chump. I'm a savage, let me show you magic, bro. One shot at this and turn your into sawdust. Partner, we lawless, I'm talking all us. When it come to handling business dirty, we flawless. See these revolvers, that's why they call us. The same reason the police ain't never caught us. I'm on another level, words from a true rebel. I rock, then I ain't talking heavy metal. You just a crumb, and me, I'm a dirt devil. Let's see what's left, as soon as the smoke settles.
Take it third, handle that, handle that. Take it third, handle that, handle that. Take it third, handle that, handle that. Take it, we can take it, we can handle that now. West Coast, hit X, East Coast, hit X, Midwest, hit X, South South, hit X, West Coast, hit X, East Coast, hit X, Midwest, hit X, South South, hit X.
Become so numb. Can I get an encore? Do you want more? I've become so numb. Can I get an encore? Do you want more?
Get your ass up for the doctor. Come on, son. Get your ass up for the doctor. Come on,
Can I get an
quit hanging to
encore?
the one baby. Got you hanging on the edge of your seat. Get on down.
Time's up, game's over, you lose, I win. About to show these knuckleheads how to do this here. Ooh yeah, new year, next phase begin. Look who's got you going crazy again. I'm a trend, I set one every time I'm in. I go out and just come back, we'll circle again. You a fad, that means it's something that we already had. But once you're gone, you don't come back.
Too bad you're off the map now. Radar can't even find you. We stay on the grind, you slip, we outgrind you. You walk around mad, you let your anger blind you. We walk around just playing the violin behind you. Enough with all the pissing and moaning, whining and bitching. Sit and observe, listen and learn if you pay attention. Why 10 more platinum albums later, 3 diamond worldwide. We're on the charts with a bullet and still trying.
Hardcore, do you want more? Cook and roll with the Brooklyn Boys.
So all my people on the left, all my people on the right, scream one last time. When Dr. Dre says crunk, you will get it crunk.
Get it crunk, 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 crunk.
And when 50 Cent says jump, you get a 1 foot and
Jump,
jump, jump, jump,
Buzz is
jump.
tremendous, we drop you on the census. I don't gotta promote it, for you to know that Doc is off the benches.
We keep the party rocking off the hinges. We ain't showing off, we're going all popular consensus.
But critics say the Doc is soft, Doc is tall, Doc is all washed up. Knock it off, who the fuck is Doc impressing? Doc is this, Doc is that, you got the wrong impression. You must be on the cock of Doc left you all guessing. So DJ, take the needle and just drop it on the record.
What?
We gon' have this motherfucker hopping in a second. That's why we always aim the best cut last, to make you scratch and itch for it like fresh cut grass.
We done swam with the sharks, wrestled with alligators. Spoke to a generation of angry teenagers whom if it wasn't for rap to bridge the gap, maybe race to be racist. Who may have never got to see our faces, quick to cover our Rolling Stone pages. Broke down barriers of language and races. Just call on the gay crusaders and leave it to me and Trey to pass the mic and we can play the back and forth all day like a hot potato game. That's why we cater. Came here to set this party off right. Let's bounce tonight.
Now what the hell are you waiting for? After me, there should be no more. So for one last time, nigga, make some noise.
I've become so numb.
So for one last time, I need y'all to roll. One last time, I need y'all to roll.
Every step that I take is another mistake to you. And every second I waste is more than I can take. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want to do is be more like me and be less like you. I've become so numb.
Can I get an encore? Do you want more?
Bounce now, hands up, you know how we do. We make the club jump everywhere we go. It's no secret, everybody know. When Dre's involved, there's plenty money involved and plenty honeys involved. It's sunny Sundays and palm trees, Cali. Every day is just another party from the valleys all the way to the 8 Mile alleys.
Let's rally, hands up for grand finale. Now Ray's about to speak, Dre's about to speak, Blaze about to be, the gay's about to week.
You can catch me in the studio banging out the beach to provide you with the heat to keep blazing out the speaker.
So never say never, cause Shady at the man together along with your unit records presents the return of the Doc and shit. No one can do it better, we tear the club up and leave it not a shred of evidence.
Can I get an encore? Do you want more? Luke and roll with the Brooklyn boys. So for one last time, I need y'all to roll.
I've become so numb.
So for one last time, I need y'all to roll. One last time, I need y'all to roll.